gender and research into use. It's another cross-cutting research area, because we cannot situate it within one of the activities under RIU program, because gender cuts across all the 6 narratives, RIU innovation narratives. And specifically what I'll be looking at under this area is just a preliminary review of the issues in literature. What are the issues? What can we pick from literature about what is happening between gender and agricultural, specifically agricultural innovations? And the expected output from this preliminary review, because it's not going to be an in-depth research, the expected output is how can we make agricultural innovation engendered, or rather gender sensitive. And when we are talking about gender, we are looking at the roles of the men, the different gender groups, whether it's a man or a woman, or whether it is disadvantaged groups like poor farmers, this kind of thing, whether they are man or woman. So we are trying to get from what is happening within literature, how we can engender agricultural innovations, how we can make them gender sensitive.